Hello everyone and welcome to Unicorns in the Kitchen. Today we are making the best creamy shrimp pasta salad. Start by cooking elbow pasta in boiling water. Make sure to cook the pasta according to the packaging. Stir frequently to make sure it doesn't stick. Once the pasta is cooked completely, drain and set it aside to cool. Pour some olive oil in a pan over medium heat and start cooking the shrimp. Make sure that the shrimp is fully cooked on both sides. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes and you need to flip only once. Add some black pepper and salt to make sure that it's seasoned well. Once the shrimp is cooked completely on both sides, transfer it to a plate and let it cool completely. Add some chopped dill to the cooled pasta, some chopped scallions, chopped parsley, and some dill pickles. Add cooled shrimp to the pasta salad and start mixing until everything is very well incorporated. Now add some sour cream, some mayonnaise, and some salt and pepper to the pasta salad. Refrigerate the shrimp pasta salad for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy! You can find the complete printable recipe by clicking on the link in the description. And if you like our recipes, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time!